Hi everyone, welcome to yet another exciting lesson. So we want to solve this algebraic expression, this nice algebraic expression. So to do that, we have solution. So we need to put down our question. A multiplied by A multiplied by square root of A minus square root of A equal to 60. So first thing, we say let square root of A equal to M. Then A will be equal to M squared. So we substitute this into our equation, our question. We have M squared multiplied by M minus M equal to 60. So this gives us M squared multiplied by M power 1 minus M equal to 60. And we can add the exponents. So that gives us M cubed minus M equal to 60. Then we bring the 60. Then we bring the 60 to the left hand side. We have M cubed minus M minus 60 all equal to 0. So from here we can express this as M cubed minus M minus 64 M cubed minus M minus 64 plus 4 equal to 0. Now this can now be written as M cubed minus M minus M minus we have M cubed minus 64 minus M plus 4 equal to 0. So from here we consider simplifying this. Then we have M cubed minus, this is written as 4 cubed minus M plus 4 equal to 0. So this can be written as well as, so we have M cubed minus 4 cubed, we put that in bracket, minus M plus 4 equal to 0. So from here we consider this A cubed minus B cubed equal to A minus B into bracket, close the bracket, open another bracket, A squared plus AB plus B squared. We use this identity to expand this. So and that gives us M minus 4 into bracket, open another bracket, M squared plus 4M plus 16. Close the bracket. So we have M, that is minus M plus 4 all equals to 0. So this can be written as M minus 4 M squared plus 4M plus 16. So we can factor out minus 1 over here. So we have minus 1 into bracket M minus 4 equal to 0. So this can be written as m minus 4, then m squared plus 4m plus 16, then minus m into brackets minus 4 equal to 0. So m minus 4 is common to both here and here. So we factor that out. We have m minus 4, then we have m squared plus 4m plus 16 minus 1 equal to 0. So this is written as m minus 4 into brackets m squared plus 4m then plus 15. 16 minus 1 give us 15 equal to 0. So we solve for m. m minus 4 equal to 0 for the first value of m, then m equals to 4. Given the first value of m, then to solve the other value of m, we consider using this quadratic equation. So from this quadratic equation, we use the quadratic formula to solve it. So we have a to be equal to 1 and b to be equal to 4. Then c is equal to 15. So from the quadratic formula, m will be equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 15 all over 2 multiplied by 1. So if we simplify this, we have minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 15. We have that to be 60 all over 2. And this will simplify what we have in the radical, then that will be equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 44 over 2. So this can then be expressed as minus 4 plus or minus square root of 2. So we simplify this, we have square root. So we simplify this square root, we have 2, then square root of 11 I over 2. And that is equal to m. M will be equal to minus 4 plus or minus 2 square root of 11i over 2. 2 here, 2 here, then 2 here, 1, 1, and we have 2. And that gives us minus 2 plus or minus square root of 11i will now be our value of m for the other value of m. So which means that m is also equal to minus 2 plus square root of 11i, or m equal to minus 2 minus square root of 11i. These are the other two values of m. So here, from this value of m, we now solve for our a. We are asked to find the value of a. Solve for a. We solve for the value of a. So first, at m equals to 4, what will be the value of a? So we have that to be equal to m equal to square root of a, and that will be equal to square root of a be equal to 4. So we square both sides. We have a to be equal to 16 for the value of a when m equals to 4. So at m equals to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 11i, what will be the value of a? So this means that square root of a will be equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 11i. So if we square both sides, we have that to be a equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 11i into brackets all squared. So this can be considered using this identity, a plus or minus b into bracket squared. We can expand this as a squared plus or minus 2ab plus b squared. So we use this identity to simplify the right hand side. So that will give us a to be equal to minus 2 squared, then plus or minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, then multiplied by square root of 11i, then plus square root of 11i all squared. Root of 11i all squared. So, and this gives us a to be equal to, this gives us 4, and this minus come out and change this to the opposite end. So we have minus plus. Okay, when this minus negates this, it changes one to minus and it changes one to plus. We have minus plus, and that gives us 4. Then square root of 11i plus this will now be equal to 11i squared. So, and that is equal to a equal to 4 minus plus minus or plus 4 square root of 11i plus 11i squared is given as minus 1. I squared is given as minus 1. So replace that with minus 1. So, and that is given as equal to 4 minus or plus 4 square root of 11i, then minus 11. So if we open the brackets, so we have this. So, and this gives us minus 11 plus 4. We have a, and that will be equal to minus 7 minus or plus 4 square root of 11i. So we have that to be a value of a when m is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 11i. Then the value of a is a equals to minus 7 minus or plus 4 square root of 11i. So all the possible value of a are then equal to a1 give us 16, a2 equal to minus 7 minus 4 square root of 11i. a3 equal to minus 7. a3 is given as equal to minus 7 plus 4 square root of 11i. So these are all the possible value of a. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, like the video, subscribe to the channel for future updates, and share the video to your loved ones. Continue with the next video to continue improving your skills in mathematics. We'll see you in the next lesson.